What you will say to Papa? Go to Papa. Why? Why you say thank you? Why you say thank you to Papa? You say thank you to Papa. You say it's... Okay ka na? Happy ka na? Are you happy na? Opo, nagwawala ang bata dahil gusto ng... What do you like? Apple juice. Kahit gabing-gabi na. Ang binili ng Papa. Nag-thank you kay Papa. Good girl. Good job. Anong good job? Good job. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Dito sa Bye-bye.